We are proud to represent this 1956 BMW R60. It's the first year of the R60 series. Purchased from the original owner's estate, this bike had only covered 22,000 miles before it was rebuilt completely from the crankshaft to the tip of the taillight with a concours restoration. This bike was then shown at the Legend of the Motorcycle in 2007. Let's have a listen as we start it up and go for a ride. This is a full description of the restoration work that had taken place. Only a handful of miles have been put on this bike since its restoration. It is on a non-op California registration at the moment and comes with a clean California title. This is a great looking bike and would be great in any collection. For more information, check us out at GanauAutoworks.com. Thank you.